Hello student, welcome to the lecture series of sterilization techniques. Now I am going to explain the wet heat sterilization. Wet heat or steam is more efficient method and is preferred in sterilizing the media used for culturing microorganisms. The common ways by which wet heat is employed in laboratory are boiling, pasteurization, tyndallization and autoclaving. Let us discuss the detail in wet heat sterilization. First one is boiling. It is the common method of sterilization. All the instruments used for cultivation are kept in the container filled with distilled water and allowed to boil for at least 15 minutes. If the articles are not to be used immediately, this should be stored in a sterile containers. Another method of wet heat sterilization is pasteurization. Many substances such as milk are treated with uncontrolled heating at temperature well before boiling. This process is called pasteurization. Milk, beer, and many other beverages are usually pasteurized. This process does not sterilize a beverage, but it does kill any pathogen present. Milk can be pasteurized in two ways. In first method, in the older method, the milk is heated at 63 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Second method is flash pasteurization, consists of quick heating to about 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds followed by rapid cooling. Third method is tyndallization. Sometimes a heat sensitive method material is sterilized by fractional steam sterilization called tyndallization. The container with the material to be sterilized is heated at 90 to 100 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes on each of 3 consecutive days and incubated at 37 degrees Celsius in between. The first heating will destroy all microbes except bacterial endospores. Most of these germinate when incubated at 37 degrees Celsius and are killed by the second heating. Any remaining spores are destroyed by the second incubation and third heat treatment. Many materials, especially the liquid media for microbial culture. Next method of wet sterilization is autoclaving. Steam under pressure is more efficient method of sterilization. This technique and is known as autoclaving. Autoclave is a cylindrical metallic vessel with double walls. There are various types of autoclaves in use. First one is simple autoclave, in which the body is made up of gunmetal and it is cylindrical in appearance and closed at one end by hing doors. A gasket seal is provided between the door and cylinder. It can withstand high temperature. A perforated metal tray is provided within the barrel, which is used for keeping those articles which are to be sterilized. The water present below the perforated tray is boiled by an electric heater to produce the steam. Second type is steam jacketed autoclave. It is modified form of simple autoclave. In simple autoclave, much of heat is wasted from the surface of barrel. To check this, a steam jacket is provided around the barrel in large autoclave. Inside the autoclave steam, pressure is increased and temperature increases proportionately. Usually, autoclaving is done at 15 lb pressure for 15 minutes. The autoclave is used to sterilize most of the solid and liquid media required for microbial cultures.